Okay. Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about alcohols. Already preparation methods of alcohols are completed in previous class. So next heading, properties of alcohols. Properties of alcohols. Preparation methods of alcohols are completed in previous class. For example, from alkyl halides, from alkenes, from esters, from carbon monoxide 0 plus 2H2, from Grignard reagents, from starch, from molasses, from aldehydes, from ketones, from carboxylic acid. Different types of methods. So preparation methods of alcohols are completed in previous class. And next heading, properties of alcohols. Next heading, properties. Next heading, properties of alcohols. Properties of alcohols. So already the properties completed in previous class. Once again I repeat. So that is react with sodium metal. React with sodium metal. Sodium formula Na. Sodium metal. Sodium metal. Very simple. For example, ethyl alcohol. Any alcohol. For example, ethyl alcohol. Formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. But 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. 2 moles of ethyl alcohol react with 2 moles of sodium metal. 2 moles of sodium metal. Sodium formula Na. So very simple answer. First of all, byproduct is 2 hydrogen atoms. So that means hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule. And remaining answer 2 moles of CH3, CH2, O, 2Na. 2Na. So 2 moles of CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, Na. And compound name is sodium. Compound name is sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. Sodium formula Na. 2 carbon atoms E and oxygen ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, Na. And byproduct is hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule. And next second one is react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. First of all, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, H. Ethyl alcohol or compound ethyl alcohol plus sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. NaOH. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen. Next 1 mole of OH. 1 mole of hydrogen. 1 mole of OH. So byproduct is water. H2O. H2O. So remaining answer is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, Na. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, Na. Same compound, that is sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. But byproduct is water. Byproduct is water. Next one, react with sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. First of all, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH plus sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Very simple. 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. So first of all, 2 moles of CH3, CH2O. 2 moles of CH3, CH2O. Next 2 sodium atoms. So very simple. So 2 moles of CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, Na. O bond, Na. And byproducts are H2O. H2O. Water molecule. Water molecule. And next second byproduct is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So these 3 properties are completed in previous class. Only 3 properties. So these 3 properties are completed in previous class. So first one, react with sodium metal. For example, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. So 2 moles of CH3, CH2, OH plus 2 moles of sodium metal. So very simple. Byproduct is 2 hydrogen atoms, that is hydrogen gas. And remaining answer 2 moles of CH3, CH2O, Na. Sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide. Second one, sodium hydroxide. CH3, CH2, OH plus sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH. Byproduct is water. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, OH. Same compound, sodium ethoxide. Next third one, react with sodium carbonate. Same methyl alcohol formula CH3CH2OH plus sodium carbonate Na2CO3. But 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. So 2 moles of CH3 bond CH2O, 2 moles of sodium methoxide. But byproducts are water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide. So in first reaction byproduct is hydrogen. In second reaction byproduct is water. In third reaction byproducts are water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide. Okay. So first property reaction is sodium metal, and second one is reaction is sodium hydroxide, and third one is reaction is sodium carbonate. Okay. So next property. So properties of alcohols: sodium hydroxide, and next sodium carbonate. Next property. Next one, fourth one. Please react with Grignard reagents. React with Grignard reagents. React with Grignard reagents. So generally Grignard reagents formula R bond Mg bond X. Actually Grignard reagent formula R bond Mg bond X. For example, methyl CH3 bond magnesium MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, one of the Grignard reagent. And heading is react with Grignard reagents. Generally common formula alkyl magnesium halide R bond Mg bond X. And best example of Grignard reagent is CH3 bond Mg bond Br. Okay. So first of all, ethyl alcohol, one compound ethyl alcohol, formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. Compound name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. Plus Grignard reagent. For example, CH3 bond Mg bond Br, methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. Grignard reagent. So very simple. Bond CH3. Next hydrogen atom. CH3 plus one hydrogen atom. CH4. Main compound alkane, that is methane, formula CH4. And byproduct is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, Mg bond, Br. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, Mg, Br. Magnesium bromomethoxide. And main compound is alkane, that is methane, formula CH4. For example, methyl alcohol, methanol, formula CH3OH, methyl alcohol or methanol. Plus Grignard reagent formula, for example, same CH3 bond, Mg bond, Br, one of the Grignard reagent. So this is Grignard reagent. And the Grignard reagent common formula R bond Mg bond X. For example, methyl magnesium bromide. So very simple. Bond CH3 plus one hydrogen atom. CH3 plus one hydrogen atom. CH4. And byproduct is CH3 bond O bond MgBr. CH3 bond O bond MgBr. Magnesium bromomethoxide. So CH3 bond O bond H. And next one, for example, same methyl alcohol formula CH3 bond O bond H. Plus Grignard reagent, for example, ethyl magnesium bromide CH3 CH2 MgBr. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Grignard reagent. So this is methanol or methyl alcohol. And second one is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Okay. So methyl alcohol react with Grignard reagent. So very simple answer. So bond CH2 bond CH3 plus one hydrogen atom. So CH3 CH2 plus one hydrogen. So CH3 bond CH3 bond CH3, and compound name is methane, one of the alkane, and byproduct is very simple. CH3 bond O bond MgBr. CH3 bond O bond MgBr. Magnesium bromomethoxide. So this is fourth property, reaction with Grignard reagents. Okay, so generally Grignard reagents formula R bond Mg bond X. For example, methyl magnesium bromide. So very simple ethyl alcohol formula CH3CH2 OH and Grignard reagent CH3 bond Mg bond Br. CH3 plus 1 hydrogen CH4 butane. Next to same CH3 plus 1 hydrogen CH4 butane. Next to same CH3 bond CH2 plus 1 hydrogen ethane. Okay, so O bond H, so O bond H, ethyl alcohol or methyl alcohol, etc. So this is reaction with Grignard reagent. And next one, most important is esterification. So first property sodium metal, second one is sodium hydroxide, and third one sodium carbonate, fourth one is reaction with Grignard reagents like methyl magnesium bromide and ethyl magnesium bromide. Next esterification, very important, previous 2 marks question. It is esterification. That means formation of ester. Esterification means formation of ester. For example, our compound ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond O bond H. Our compound ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2 OH plus carboxylic acid, any carboxylic acid. For example, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. So compound name is acetic acid. So first of all, alcohol, any alcohol, and second one is carboxylic acid, any carboxylic acid. For example, acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. Very simple, in the kinds of concentrated sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. So 1 mole of hydrogen, so bond cleavage between O bond H. So 1 mole of hydrogen, next 1 mole of OH, H plus ion and OH minus ion. So removal of water. So byproduct is H2O. So remaining answer CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. So remaining answer is CH3 C double bond O CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3 O CH2 CH3. Okay, so bond CH2 means ethyl. Bond CH2 means ethyl, and acetate formula CH3 C double bond O acetate. So compound name is ethyl acetate. It is one of the ester. Okay, so esterification, previous IP 2 marks question. First of all, alcohol, any alcohol, for example ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH plus carboxylic acid, any carboxylic acid, for example acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond OH. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH. So removal of the remaining answer CH3 C double bond O. O CH2 CH3. So bond CH2 means ethyl, and acetate formula CH3 C double bond O. And ester functional group formula C double bond O. So it is one of the ester. So first property sodium metal, second sodium hydroxide, third one sodium carbonate, and fourth one reaction with Grignard reagents, and the products are alkanes. And next one esterification, that means formation of ester like ethyl acetate formula CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. Okay, and next one very important property. Next one very important property, that is react with sulfuric acid formula H2SO4, concentrated sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. So first of all, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond O bond H, ethyl alcohol. And ethyl alcohol react with sulfuric acid formula H2SO4, concentrated sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. or H plus HSO4 minus ion. HSO4 minus ion. So generally sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, formula H2SO4 converted into H plus ion and HSO4 minus ion. H plus ion and HSO4 minus ion. HSO4 minus means bisulfate ion. So same sulfuric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid converted into H plus and HSO4 minus ion. H plus and HSO4 minus ion. First of all, our compound ethyl alcohol, formula CH3, CH2, OH. So this is ethyl alcohol, and ethyl alcohol react with sulfuric acid, formula H2SO4 or H plus HSO4 minus ion. And temperature is very important, and is 100 to 110 degrees Celsius temperature, not Kelvin, 100 to 110 degrees Celsius temperature. So very simple, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH, so removal of water, so byproduct is H2O, and remaining answer is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, HSO4, so CH3 bond, CH2 bond, HSO4. Compound name is bond CH2, bond CH3 means ethyl, and H means hydrogen, and SO4 sulfate. So compound name is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay? So ethyl alcohol formula CH3, CH2OH, and ethyl alcohol react with sulfuric acid at 100 to 110 degrees Celsius temperature. Then ethyl alcohol converted into ethyl hydrogen sulfate. The temperature is very important, that is 100 to 110 degrees Celsius temperature. For example, same ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, H, ethyl alcohol, plus second mole ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2 OH, ethyl alcohol, plus second mole ethyl alcohol formula same CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4 at 140 degrees Celsius temperature. So first one is 100 to 110 degrees Celsius temperature, and second one is 140 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, 100 to 110 degrees Celsius. Next one 140 degrees Celsius. So it is one of the dehydrating agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. Generally, dehydration means removal of water. So very simple, H plus ion and OH minus ion. H plus ion and OH minus ion. So removal of water formula H2O. Dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration means removal of water. And remaining answer CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. So CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. So compound name is diethyl ether. It is one of the ether. Okay, so 100 to 110 degrees Celsius temperature product is ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and 140 degrees Celsius product is diethyl ether. Or second option, that is same ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH, plus same second mole ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. In the presence of Al2O3, aluminum trioxide, Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius temperature. So first condition, concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius temperature, and second one is Al2O3 260 degrees Celsius temperature. Alternate reagent, that is Al2O3. So main reagent concentrated sulfuric acid, and alternate reagent is Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius temperature. So it is also one of the dehydrating agent. So dehydration means removal of water. So very simple, H plus ion and OH minus ion. So byproduct is water. Water formula H2O. And remaining answer CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. And remaining answer is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. And compound name is diethyl ether. Same product, diethyl ether. Okay. So first of all, 100 to 110 degrees Celsius product is ethyl hydrogen sulfate, Next to concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius product is diethyl ether, or Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius product also diethyl ether. So this is dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration of alcohols. Okay. So first of all, ethyl alcohol formula CH3CH2OH, and ethyl alcohol react with sulfuric acid. Generally, sulfuric acid converted into H plus and HSO4 minus at 100 to 110 degrees Celsius temperature. So very simple, H plus and OH minus and removal of water. So main compound is ethyl hydrogen sulfate or ethyl bisulfate, and byproduct is water. And second one, same ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH, but 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, same CH3CH2OH. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius temperature, then ethyl alcohol directly converted into ether or diethyl ether. Next, same ethyl alcohol, but 2 moles of ethyl alcohol and alternate dehydrating agent Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius temperature, and product is same, that is diethyl ether. So first one is 100 to 110 degrees Celsius product ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius product diethyl ether. Same Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius product also diethyl ether. And next one, so first one 100 to 110 degrees Celsius temperature. Second one, concentrated sulfuric acid 140 or Al2O3 260. Next, the third one. Very simple. So first one 100 to 110, second 140, and third one. Same ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. Ethyl alcohol. So it is ethyl alcohol formula CH3CH2OH. So in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid formula H2SO4 at 170 degrees Celsius temperature. 170 degrees Celsius temperature. First one 100 to 110 degrees Celsius. Second one 140 degrees Celsius, and third one is 170 degrees Celsius temperature. So it is also one of the dehydrating agent. So very simple, dehydration means removal of water. H plus ion and OH minus ion. So byproduct is water. Formula H2O. And remaining answer CH2 and bond formation double bond CH2. So CH2 double bond CH2, one of the alkane, that is ethylene. Formula CH2 double bond CH2. So or for example, same ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. So compound name is ethyl alcohol. Clear? CH3CH2OH. Alternating reagent, dehydrating agent, that is Al2O3 aluminum trioxide at 350 degrees Celsius temperature. So concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius or Al2O3 at 350 degrees Celsius temperature. Same dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. H plus and OH minus ion. So byproduct is H2O. So remaining answer CH2 double bond CH2, same one of the alkane, that is ethylene. So this is dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration means removal of water. Generally dehydrating agents are concentrated sulfuric acid and Al2O3. For example, 100 to 110 degrees Celsius product is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius product diethyl ether. Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius product same diethyl ether. Next one, concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius product is ethylene. Same Al2O3 at 350 degrees Celsius product also ethylene. Formula CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. So first one ethyl hydrogen sulfate, second one ether like diethyl ether, and third one is alkene, for example ethylene. So this is dehydration of alcohols, and dehydrating reagents are concentrated sulfuric acid and Al2O3. And next, so dehydration of alcohols completed. Next one. Next one. Dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation of alcohols. Dehydrogenation of alcohols. So dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. And next study dehydrogenation, not hydration. Dehydrogenation. That means removal of hydrogen atoms. Removal of hydrogen atoms. Okay. So dehydration means removal of water. And dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen molecule. Removal of hydrogen molecule. So generally dehydrogenating agents, copper formula Cu at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Copper or silver. Copper formula Cu, silver formula Ag, and particular temperature is 300 degrees Celsius temperature. So dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen atoms. And dehydrogenating agent is copper at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. For example, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. Our compound ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2 OH. In the presence of dehydrogenating agent, that is copper Cu or silver Ag at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Copper at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Or silver at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Copper formula Cu, silver formula Ag. So it is one of the dehydrogenating agent. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. For example, removal of first hydrogen and second hydrogen. So byproduct is H2, hydrogen gas. So first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom. Remaining answer CH3, CHO. First removal of first hydrogen atom, removal of second hydrogen atom. Remaining answer CH3, CHO. That is CH3 bond C double bond O H. CH3, CHO. Compound name is acetaldehyde. Formula CH3 C double bond OH. Okay. So dehydrogenation, generally dehydrogen means removal of hydrogens, and dehydrogenating agent is copper at 300 degrees Celsius temperature or silver at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. For example, ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. So in the presence of copper at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, it is one of the dehydrogenating agent. So dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. For example, first hydrogen atom and second hydrogen atom. So removal of hydrogen atom. And remaining answer is CH3 C double bond OH. Compound name is acetaldehyde. Formula CH3 C double bond OH. For example, secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol. CH3 CHOH bond CH3. Secondary alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. It is also called secondary alcohol, and IUPAC name is 2-propanol. Okay. So secondary alcohol or isopropyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH bond OH bond CH3. Same dehydrogenating agent copper formula Cu at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, and temperature is 300 degrees Celsius. Okay. So dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. For example, removal of first hydrogen atom, removal of second hydrogen atom. First hydrogen atom and second hydrogen atom. So byproduct is hydrogen H2. Okay. So remaining answer CH3 C double bond O CH3. So CH3 C double bond O CH3. One of the ketone, that is acetone, carbonyl compounds. Acetone formula CH3 C double bond O CH3. So this is dehydrogenation of alcohols. Generally dehydrogenating agents copper at 300 degrees Celsius or silver at 300 degrees Celsius. Silver formula same Ag. For example, ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH in the presence of copper at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. It is one of the dehydrogenating agent. Generally dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen atoms. So removal of first hydrogen, removal of second hydrogen. So byproduct is hydrogen gas, and remaining answer CH3 CHO. That is CH3 C double bond OH. Compound name is acetaldehyde. Second one, secondary alcohol or isopropyl alcohol formula CH3 CHOH bond CH3. Same copper at 300 degrees Celsius or silver Ag at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Same removal of hydrogen. So two hydrogen atoms. So byproduct is hydrogen molecule. Remaining answer CH3 C double bond O CH3. One of the carbonyl compound, that is acetone. Formula CH3 C double bond O CH3. So first one is dehydration, And next one, dehydrogenation. Dehydration means removal of water. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen atoms. So this is dehydrogenation of alcohols. Dehydrogenation of alcohols. And next one. Next property. Next property, action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. Hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. Action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. For example, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. So this is ethyl alcohol. Our compound or reactant ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2 OH. So action of hydrogen iodide. For example, 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. 2 moles of hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus. 2 moles of hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus. Then ethyl alcohol convert into alkanes. For example, in ethyl alcohol, number of carbon atoms are 2. Number of carbon atoms are 2. And 2 carbons alkane is, that is ethane. Formula CH3 bond CH3. Compound name is ethane. Compound name is ethane. One of the alkane. And byproducts are very simple. 2 hydrogens H2. 1 oxygen atom H2O plus 2 iodine atoms. So iodine molecule. Very simple. For example, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2 OH. Action of hydrogen iodide. For example, 2 moles of hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus. Then alcohols are converted into alkanes in the presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. For example, in ethyl alcohol, total carbon atoms are 2. And 2 carbons alkane is ethane. CH3 bond CH3. And byproducts are common H2O and iodine molecule. For example, propyl alcohol. Same primary alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond OH. Propyl alcohol. One of the alcohol. Same action of hydrogen iodide. For example, 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. 2 moles of hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus. So very simple. Alcohols are directly converted into alkanes in the presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. Alcohols are directly converted into alkanes in the presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. For example, number of carbon atoms in propyl alcohol. Very simple. First carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom. Total carbon atoms are 3 and 3 carbon atoms alkane is propane. That is CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3. CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3. So compound name is propane. One of the alkane. And byproducts are same. Water formula H2O and iodine molecule formula I2. So this is action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. Very important properties. Dehydration means removal of water, and dehydrating agents are concentrated sulfuric acid and Al2O3. Second one, dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogens, and dehydrogenating agent is copper or silver at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. And next one is action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. Alcohols are converted into alkanes in the presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. For example, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2 OH. Hydrogen iodide formula HN red phosphorus. So in alcohol or in ethyl alcohol, number of carbon atoms are 2 and 2 carbon atoms alkane is ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. And byproducts are water and iodine molecule. For example, propyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2 OH. Same hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. In propyl alcohol, total carbon atoms are 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, and 3 carbon atoms alkane is propane formula CH3, CH2, CH3, and byproducts are water and iodine molecule. So this is action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. So generally, alcohols are converted into alkanes in the presence of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus. Next, very simple properties. React with hydrochloric acid. Formula HCl. Generally, there are formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. So this is ethyl alcohol. CH3, CH2, whichever reactant. Plus hydrochloric acid, formula HCl. Ethyl alcohol react with hydrochloric acid, formula HCl. In the presence of zinc chloride, so zinc chloride ZnCl2, very simple. So 1 mole of hydrogen, next 1 mole of OH, hydrogen and OH. So removal of water. So byproduct is H2O. So remaining answer CH3, CH2, Cl, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. One of the alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride, formula CH3, CH2, Cl. Next one, react with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. So generally ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH, but 3 moles of ethyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, formula CH3, CH2, OH. React with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, formula PCl3. So very simple answer. First of all, 3 moles of ethyl group, 3 moles of CH3 bond, CH2, that means ethyl. Next 3 chlorine atoms. So 3 moles of CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. 3 moles of CH3 bond, CH2 and 3 chlorine atoms. So 3 moles of CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, and compound name is same, alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. So product is alkyl halide or ethyl chloride, formula CH3, CH2, Cl. And byproduct is very simple, 3 hydrogen atoms. So H3, 3 hydrogen atoms, H3, 1 mole of phosphorus, P, and 3 oxygen atoms, O3. So byproduct is H3PO3. So compound name is phosphorus acid, H3PO3. So compound name is orthophosphorus acid or phosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid, formula H3PO3. So first reaction byproduct is water, and second reaction byproduct is H3PO3. Compound name is orthophosphorus acid, and main product is alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. Okay. So first one reaction with hydrochloric acid, ethyl alcohol formula CH3CH2 OH plus HCl in the presence of ZnCl2. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH, removal of water, remaining answer CH3CH2 Cl, ethyl chloride. Next PCl3, 3 moles of ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2 OH plus PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. So 3 moles of ethyl group, 3 moles of CH3CH2, 3 chlorine atoms. So 3 moles of ethyl chloride, and byproduct is H3PO3, orthophosphorus acid, formula H3PO3. Next one. Next, react with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. First of all, ethyl alcohol, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. So this is our compound ethyl alcohol, formula CH3CH2 OH plus PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. So very simple answer. 1 mole of ethyl group, bond CH2, bond CH3, or CH3 bond CH2. Next, addition of only one chlorine atom. So simple answer, CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl, ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride formula CH3 CH2 Cl. Next byproducts are 1 mole of hydrogen. Next addition of 1 chlorine atom, second chlorine atom. Actually total chlorine atoms are 5 chlorine atoms. So addition of first chlorine atom, next addition of second chlorine atom. Hydrogen and addition of 1 chlorine atom, HCl, hydrochloric acid. And remaining answer is very simple, 1 mole of phosphorus, 1 mole of phosphorus, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen, and remaining 3 chlorine atoms, Cl3. So byproduct is POCl3, phosphoryl chloride, POCl3, compound is phosphoryl chloride. So main compound is ethyl chloride CH3 CH2Cl, and byproducts are hydrochloric acid and POCl3. POCl3 means phosphoryl chloride or phosphooxy trichloride. And last and final react with thionyl chloride. Generally thionyl chloride formula SOCl2. Thionyl chloride. So last property, react with thionyl chloride formula SOCl2. So first of all, same ethyl alcohol, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH plus thionyl chloride formula SOCl2. Thionyl chloride formula SOCl2. So very simple, 1 mole of ethyl group, CH3 bond, CH2, next addition of 1 chlorine atom, only 1 chlorine atom. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, compound name is ethyl chloride, and byproducts are 1 mole of hydrogen and addition of second chlorine atom. So HCl, hydrochloric acid, and remaining answer is SO plus oxygen, SO2, sulfur dioxide. Very simple. So ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2OH plus PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So 1 mole of ethyl group and addition of 1 chlorine atom, ethyl chloride. Next 1 mole of hydrogen, addition of second chlorine atom, HCl. Remaining answer 1 mole of phosphorus, 1 mole of oxygen, and remaining 3 chlorine atoms, that is POCl3, phosphoryl chloride. Next thionyl chloride formula SOCl2, CH3 CH2OH plus SOCl2, thionyl chloride. So 1 mole of ethyl group CH3 CH2, addition of 1 chlorine atom, CH3 CH2Cl, and byproducts are hydrogen and second chlorine atom, HCl, and sulfur dioxide gas. So these are properties of alcohols. And main properties are very important: esterification, dehydration, dehydrogenation. Esterification, dehydration of alcohols, and dehydrogenation of alcohols. So esterification between alcohol and carboxylic acid, and dehydration of alcohols. Dehydrating agents are concentrated sulfuric acid and Al2O3, and dehydrogenating agents copper or silver at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. So this is alcohols. Okay, so alcohols chapter is completed. Not chapter, topic. Alcohol topic is completed. First of all, preparation methods of alcohols. Next, properties of alcohols. Okay, so properties of alcohols. First property is sodium metal. Sodium metal formula Na. Second one, sodium hydroxide NaOH. Next, sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Next, esterification, very important property. Next one, Grignard reagents. Next, dehydration of alcohols. And next one, dehydrogenation, and action of hydrogen iodide by red phosphorus, HCl, PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2. So this is alcohols. Okay, so alcohols topic is completed, and next topic phenol. So we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, right.